Hey everyone, I'm Melissa Covington, a real estate investor and coach in the San Francisco Bay Area. And today I'm going to show you this newly completed project where we added 1,000 square foot of addition, and it took over a year to complete. And in the end, we didn't sell it at the price that we hoped for, so it was almost a flop. If you want to learn more about the details, make sure you watch this entire video. The front yard was green, but it was mostly weeds, so we had to get rid of it and put in new sod. We added some smaller plants close to the house, and they add so much color. I'm really proud of this exterior transformation because the old peach and clay color made the house feel so old school, and these two dark gray and white color combo make this house feel so much more contemporary, and I'm sure it's drawing a lot of eyeball. This front porch area was tarped over, and there was a big pool of water because of the leak from the roof. We fixed it and also replaced the old school railing with this very sleek modern railing. And we painted the brakes to make it cohesive with the exterior paint color, and also put in this new front door. Welcome inside. In this hallway area, we removed the dark wood paneling on both sides and replaced the old school chandelier with recessed lights. And on the flooring, there was old linoleum floors that we replaced with new hardwood floors that's consistent throughout the house to make it feel less compartmentalized. In the living room, as usual, we added a lot of ceiling light, and this big window is bringing in a lot of natural light as well. And luckily, it's already double pane, so we only had to give it a deep cleaning. And then on the flooring, there was old school parquet floors that's not very desirable anymore, and we actually replaced it with these planks. So this fireplace was so tired before, and we give it a fresh coat of paint so that it looks more contemporary. In the adjacent dining room, we changed out the light fixture and took out a wall that was here to open up the kitchen. And we also brought out the kitchen this way to use the old casual dining space, so the kitchen is a lot bigger. And in terms of the kitchen design, we have two-tone cabinets and also light color countertops so that the space feels more expansive. And then this is my favorite way to do the hood now because it looks very sleek and it's not very expensive. This bathroom was so yellow before. It had yellow walls and yellow fixtures. We got it all and put in this very clean shower. The niche is so huge that makes it feel so luxurious, and the tiles go from the walls to the ceiling to make the space feel more expansive. The mirror is this arch style that's kind of a newer style, and the light complete this entire design too. I never noticed before, but this room actually gets a lot of natural light. So here we replaced the light fixture, repainted the walls, and in the other bedroom as well, we also refinished the hardwood floors. And in all the rooms, we replaced the interior doors, so now it looks more modern and sleek. And the most importantly, we added these baskets that become kind of a focal point of this room. Just joking, my stager left them for us. The primary bedroom feels so much bigger and brighter because we fixed the damaged wall texture and repainted it with a lighter color, and also made the flooring much more natural than before. But the biggest change happened in this new primary bathroom. In this primary bathroom, there was a little table and a closet over here, so the actual bathroom was only about half of this size and super cramped. To make the bathroom more functional and luxurious, we expanded it this way to fit in this nice size vanity, and then we combined the corner shower and the vanity area into this oversized shower. The stairs were already here, but they were carpeted and looked like a dungeon. So we installed new steps and also more lighting, and we closed off this opening and made a nice and big landing and hallway that leads to the new bedroom and also the family room on the other side. This bedroom didn't exist before. It was part of the oversized garage. There was laundry over there and the water heater and furnace on this wall that we relocated, and we also refinished the walls, added the ceiling light and new flooring so that now we have a very nice sized bedroom. The garage is now a lot smaller than before, but it's still a very functional one-car garage. And we relocated the water heater into this utility closet, and the laundry is now in this closet in the hall. We added this spacious bathroom for the entire downstairs, and also turned the little office area into this pretty big bedroom. And then there's this entire living space that can be used as a family room, or with a few changes, you can turn this whole downstairs area into an ADU. So you can add a door to the exterior by cutting the sheetrock and using the frame that's already there. And you can also turn this wet bar into a kitchenette. So with those changes, you can use this downstairs area for extended families, or you can even rent it out to generate more income. The backyard transformation was very simple. We just cleaned it up, painted the retaining wall, and then added some mulch. So now let me explain why this was almost a flop. I purchased this house for around $1 million, and we thought by converting the downstairs into living space, we could drastically increase the value of the home and sell it for around 1.6. But the neighborhood didn't support a resale value like that. The process of converting the downstairs also took a lot longer. Our holding cost went way up. So with these two factors, we didn't make as much as we thought, and it was only a $70,000 profit. $70,000 may not sound like a bad profit, but if you think about how much money we put in and how much time it took, it's really a very thin margin. And if I were to go back in time, I probably wouldn't have taken on this project to begin with. I don't just share the success stories, but also the bad and the ugly of house flipping. So if you want to learn more, make sure you follow the channel, and maybe we'll have a win to show you next time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.